Welcome to the Midea RAC Sales Talk series. In these programs, we'll share the most useful Midea air conditioner information, as well as sales talk strategies to help you interact with customers and make the sale. Today, I will introduce the durability features of our Midea RAC products.
Oh, hi, Mike.
Hey.
During summer, when the weather gets really hot, my old air conditioner will stop running. That's why I want to find a new one and replace it. Do you have any recommendations?
Yeah, you know what? This is actually a really common problem with conventional air conditioners.
Oh, really?
When the air temperature gets hot in the summer, they can slow down or sometimes they stop running altogether. You know, the problem is with the outdoor unit. Now, most customers don't pay a lot of attention to the outdoor unit, but it's actually equally important as the indoor unit. The indoor unit absorbs the hot air from your room. The outdoor unit releases it to the outside air. So it's a really important function. So we know the quality of the outdoor unit has a major effect on how comfortable you feel. Our Midea Extreme Cooling Outdoor Unit can operate at 100% output efficiency, even when the temperature gets up to 55 degrees Celsius. It can actually continue running as the temperature gets all the way up to 68 degrees Celsius. This way, it can ensure a consistent cool even on the hottest summer days.
Oh, I see. So now I understand the importance of the outdoor unit. And I was quite impressed by the capability of your Midea Extreme outdoor unit. Well, thanks for your explanation.
My pleasure.
So how long a Midea air conditioner can be used?
You know, it actually depends a lot on your environment. Things like salt, acid, sand, oil, even water can cause damage to the AC, and that'll reduce the lifespan of any AC. Now, Midea has a way to try to prevent this and to give you a longer lifespan. So we use something called gold fin technology on both our evaporator unit and our condenser unit. Take a look right here. You can see this gold fins all along this area, and we also have that in the indoor unit as well. So a standard fin can function well for several years, but a gold fin is much more durable, and we actually guarantee those for 10 years. So this greatly improves the lifespan of an air conditioner. You know, I'd really like to showcase this durability a little more. Do you have time for a quick demonstration? Probably take about 2 minutes.
I think 2 minutes would be good. It's okay for me.
Okay, just 2 minutes.
Okay.
All right, so take a look at this. This is an ordinary fin, silver color, and this is the Midea Prime Guard Gold fin. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to write something on both of these fins with a marker. So here we go. All right. Now let me show you. We can imagine that this represents oil you might have in the outside. This is something that could get onto your fins and that could lower the lifespan of your AC. So I'm just going to use some water and going to try to wash this off. Okay, you notice the normal fin, you can still read everything. Now watch what happens on the Midea Gold fin. It's almost like magic. Look, it just completely fades away. So this shows you oil doesn't accumulate as much on the Midea Gold fin. Now, the other thing that I want you to notice is watch the water actually flow from these different fins. So on the Midea fin, the water flows right off. It doesn't actually stick very, very easily to the fin, whereas on the normal fin, it bubbles up and remains there. Now these water bubbles, you can imagine, they can also accumulate on a fin. So if your fins are accumulating water and oil, over time, this will definitely slow efficiency and can even cause the AC to stop functioning permanently. That's why this gold fin technology is so important.
Wow, I was quite impressed. It's like a magic show.
Yeah.
I've never seen other promoters present their products this way. Very persuasive.
Cool.
And I'm pretty interested. Can you tell me more about this model?
Sure. So now I want to focus a little bit more on our outdoor unit. We all know that the outdoor unit's important, and its quality has a big impact on the overall durability and stability of your AC. Midea has a diamond cabinet. Now this cabinet boasts low operating noise, robust airflow capacity, and long-term durability. And it's also a beautiful exterior. Now look, this is really tough. I can push on this, I can bang on it, I can put a lot of pressure on it. It has no damage, no dents. This is a really very tough case.
I'm very impressed about our idea's quality. Oh, hi Mike.
Hey.
I think the voltage in my home isn't that stable. My air conditioner will stop running whenever the voltage is low. So do you have any particular model that could solve this issue?
Actually, all of our Midea RAC units can have this function. We have an optional package called the Wide Range Voltage Operation Package. Now, when you have this package, your AC can operate even if the voltage goes as low as 45 volts. We can proudly say that we support the lowest operational voltage in the RAC industry and the widest operating voltage for air conditioners, from 45 volts to 264 volts. So this is an excellent range when we're comparing to some other brands. For instance, with Gree, they can go from 175 to 265 volts. It's a pretty narrow range, right? Especially on the low end. Higher can go from 120 to 264, and AUX can go from 130 volts to 270. So if you take a look, you can see we go as low as 45 volts and as high as 264 volts. So even with very low voltage or very high voltage, we can be sure that your air conditioner can run efficiently.
Oh, I see. That's pretty impressive. Well, thank you for your explanation.
My pleasure. So let's have a quick summary of what we've learned today. The key is to first talk with the customers to better understand his or her needs. Next, provide solutions using the SFABE method in order to build trust and confidence so the customer will have a higher likelihood to purchase the product. So, in summary, the SFABE method is: S stands for situation. Ask questions to better understand the situation and pain points of the customer. F is for features. Introduce the key feature or features of the AC model that can best solve the pain points and fix the customer's situation. A is for advantage. Talk in more detail about the technology and specs behind the key features. B is for benefits. Make a connection between the technology and specs and the specific benefit to the customer. E is for evidence. Let the customer see or experience for him or herself how the product actually works via a demonstration or a tutorial. By using the SFABE method, we can have the best chance of winning over more customers and making more sales. Thank you for watching the Midea RAC Sales Talk Training Series. We're here to empower you with greater Midea RAC product knowledge and sales skills. Together, we go further. See you next time.